this crazy world doing something wrong. We are 8 point whatever billion people. We are human beings. We should be love each other, and that's the reason me and my lots of friends here to world the peace.
It is about the distance we travel and the journey with friends that makes a lot of difference.
He was a pretty speed, right? Thank God nothing happened. But this is a learning lesson for everybody, every rider, right? But he's safe, everything's good. (19,024 feet, right? Above first or second base of Himalaya Everest.